Hello friends, how you doing today? It's good to see you. I'm in an old shipyard. You can see it's broken down. It's even abandoned. Once the shipyard had great value. It was rebuilding, restoring, making things new, keeping them afloat. And now it's empty, trash is laying around. It's a huge, unused facility that has been left and forgotten and abandoned. Sometimes in life, I believe I don't know about you, but sometimes I feel alone. I feel almost abandoned. Once of great value, and now the devil shouts in your ear, you have no value. Look what you've done. Look what you've said. You're not rebuilding God's ministry and helping God's ministry. God has left you. What I love about God, He never leaves us or forsakes us or abandons us. There are no orphans in God's kingdom. You have great value because you are a child of God.